you doing? Hope you guys are good. So, hey, these lines are itchy. I don't know what's wrong, but I think I know why. I don't know if any of you guys have used castor oil before, but if I use castor oil on my hair, it becomes itchy. Ooh. Anyway, I have some drop lines up here, girl. Nakaa mtoto wa shule. Anyway, I asked you guys what type of videos do you want? What type of content do you guys want from me? And you guys were like, vlog more. We want to see a bit of your life here and there. So here we go. So I'm just trying to squeeze in a workout. It's been like 2 months since I worked out. Oops, that is bad. That is very, very bad. So I am done. Nimemaliza. I didn't even work out that much. As in, honestly, motivation ya work out haiko. I don't know. I'm thinking of gym. I'm like, who needs to pay 3,000 bob or 3,500, or I don't know how much gyms cost. And then what? Because I know I won't eat clean. I just know I won't. I've tried dieting. I've tried all the things. I think nimeji accept. But I've lost weight. I've actually lost weight this past couple of weeks because I've been sick in and out, and my eating patterns are just ni mbaya. Like, I wake up, I don't eat breakfast, and then I remember, I've not eaten breakfast. Sayo ni saa ngapi? It's 1 p.m. So I eat my breakfast at 1 p.m. mpaka kitu 2. And then now too, when people are eating lunch, now me I'm on my break, bado nangoja siskinja. Then I eat now my lunch at around 6 sometimes I even skip, and I eat supper. It's just bad. But anyway, I'm about to just wash the utensils. The kitchen looks crazy, guy. Let me guys show you. Let me show you guys, guy. Nasema. So this is the mess I'm talking about. Yani, just see. Before you start judging me, before you judge me, I'm not nasty. Let me just tell you what happened. All these utensils needs a recipe. I've just done a recipe. I'm just from doing a recipe, actually. So if you cook at your home, you know how messy it comes, like when it becomes. Ukipika unahitaji kijiko, unakumbuka sijui nini nyingine. So I ended up using a lot of utensils. So I just want to wash. The volume before nipate copyright strike. Ow! Nimeangukiwa na mbao. Anyway, don't you guys hate it? Okay, if you put tips or acrylics in your hands, don't you guys hate it when you're like, so the people assume like, unaendanga jicho? How do you work? We still work with these nails. We still scrub pots and pans, You feel me? Someone just texted me, sorry. We still scrub pots and pans. We still do work. We are still productive. Ouch. We are still productive, yes. That's all I want to say. Because people usually assume like, yako ni slay queen, akafanyangi job. Akataki nails zake zing'oke, But that's not true. Let Mudhoni be a testament. We still scrub pots and pans. Anyway, let me just finish up on washing and then we'll catch up later. And finally, I am done washing. It's very, very clean. The vyombos are done. The stove is also clean. So, hi, I'm back. I want to actually make a milkshake right now. I think I should. Give me a second, guys. I'm going to make, or should I make a sorbet? I don't know. But I don't feel like I'm in the mood. Let me make a milkshake. I'll make a watermelon milkshake. I don't know if I should I use the vanilla ice cream, or pina colada, or I should use a little bit of both. I think because this one is used already, which it wasn't me, so I'm wondering, or I should use this vanilla one. I might use a little bit of both. Let me use a little bit of both. So let's make a milkshake. And so as you can see, I just added the watermelon inside here. So I'm just gonna take a scoop of this. Oh guys, it's melted. I'll just take one scoop of this one. Maybe add a little bit of that, and then same spoon, because it's ice cream, duh. I'm going to also add this one. Let me add another one, kidogo. Yay. Okay, so because that's done, I'm going to add some milk. I don't even measure, I just add. That's it. I just figured out how to use it. It's been long since I used this blender, so okay, let's go. I think that's enough. That's enough. And I just noticed it has cracked. Oh my god, what happened? But anyway, acha tuone. Ooh, just use the scoop that I had used. I think this is perfect. Quick milkshake. Milk, ice cream, and the fruit you want. In our case, it was watermelon. So watermelon, milk, and ice cream, and voila! The things that they sell them to you at 400 shillings, boom, you made it. And it's actually really nice too. So let me find a cup. Oh, these chini ones have. Anyway, this is enough for moi, because it was actually not planned. Just something that I felt like I wish I had, like whipped cream and all that. I would have been extra. I'm trying to look for a straw. This is actually really, really nice. It's healthy, no added sugars. Okay, wongo ice cream iko na sukari, but I don't like adding sugars to mine. But now, because I didn't remove the mbegus, I don't know if you guys can see, they've settled at the bottom. So if you don't like mbegus, you should just remove. But me, mine, I don't mind them. This is actually really, really nice. I like it. So let me just go see if my video has uploaded. It's taking forever. If you have Zuku, I haven't said anything. You must not. Okay, so this is me watching myself. I just posted this video. Go watch it if you haven't watched it. It's the fluffy banana pancakes, while I also have my milkshake. I haven't finished it. At the same time, I told you guys my eating patterns have changed. Look, I'm still having my morning pancake. And what time is it? 18:42, 6:42. But anyway, I'm going to work on some some things, some thingies, some. Okay, you see, let me tell you guys, I slept on my laptop. Look what happened. It cracked. Anywho, it's alright. So I'm also working on my blog. If you don't know, you guys, I also have a blog. Here it is. Everything food and travel, eats and treats KE. Go check it out. Go give a girl a follow. Go read. It has really nice content. I have like dinner ideas. I have a recipe on mini pancakes. I have also breakfast ideas over there, some travels, some other recipe as well. Yeah, so go check it out. Hi guys, hello, how you doing? I'm actually just from doing a couple of errands, shopping for the house, and going to the bank. I've just done today I woke up late. So I'm just getting things done right now. It's 5:30 p.m. Let me show you guys what I got for dinner today. So this is what I got. I got some skooma, one bunch of skooma, and then I also bought me some boneless chicken. Just 100 bob, not much, and I love it that it's already seasoned, so I'm just going to cook it. So yeah, let's prepare dinner. So I decided to change into a more comfortable clothes, that is. So I just have like a nice top and some sweatpants just to be comfortable while I cook. So yeah, let's go make some dinner. I have a dilemma. I was going to start making, but just look, this thing is big, it's falling off when I walk. So I don't know. Let me just go change into something else because these sweatpants are not having it now. Sonia, please smile, please. Please, Sonia, for once. now for the chicken, we boiled it, and then now we're just about to put it on the grill, yeah, and just choma.